What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios, and today we're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. What we're going to be doing here is that we're going to be setting up our audio to match. So we've got our internal audio from our Canon D800 camera, and then we have our external audio, which was taken off the microphone I'm speaking into right now. What we need to do is that we need to match it up to our audio here. So this is our peak that we want to go to. You never want to mess around with these areas, but you want to go to a peak, a really good strong area. So we're going to hold down the Alt key, and then we're going to use the wheel on our mouse, and we're going to scroll in or scroll out. We're going to scroll in on this one so we can get in as deep as we possibly can, so that we can actually see exactly where our peaks are at. If it's small, it usually comes in like this right here. So if you've got it like this, you want to double click on it and then double click on our audio there. We want to bring this up a little bit more, and this one as well. Let's go ahead and bring this part up, and now we can see exactly where our audio peak is located at, and that's where we want to start it at. Now we grab a hold of this audio here, our external audio, and if we move it, you can't really see where it's going to drop out. So we want to bring it here, and then we're going to use the Alt key and then the arrow key, our right arrow key on our keyboard, and then we can move it right where we want it to be at. Now let's go ahead and see what it actually sounds like before we move it. Let's bring it back over here. What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios. We got that one muted. Let's bring this back. What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to bring this over to here, and then hold down our Alt key, hit the right arrow key. We're going to bring this about right up in here, and that should be perfect. Now let's take a listen to it. What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing something for my mother. Okay, that sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and mute this, and now whenever we run it, we only hear the external mic. What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing something for my mother. Okay, that sounds good to me. So now we're going to come back over to here, and we don't need the audio at all anymore from this one. So we're going to right click on it, and then we're going to choose the delete track. Then that's just going to leave us with these two tracks here. Now we're going to select this one, or just take your mouse, come down here to the bottom, and just drag up, and as you can tell, it has selected both of these clips. Okay, so now what we want to do is that we want to split it. So we're going to come about right up in here. About whenever I go to rub my eyes, right here is where I want to start to split it. So we're going to hit the Control and K, and that right there is going to split it up for us. Then we're going to select only them two and delete it. And now we're going to select both of these, and we're going to come over here and we're going to group them, and that way they will be together. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do a very quick edit to get your audio, your external audio synced with your internal audio, and then group your videos together. I am Wayne Barron, this is Audio-Technica Studios. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.